So we've talked about all kinds of things tonight. We've had some good calls, which I appreciate. But Barbara, in our final 3 minutes, what do you want people to take away as we're talking about wills or trusts, just basically elder law? What do you want people to take away?
Early to start planning, whether they're planning their estate or just planning on how to take care of themselves. So everything from who would you want to be your decision maker when you couldn't make your own decisions, train them up right, give them the authority, plan ahead, because you never know when you're going to need that. The alternative is less desirable, the conservatorship process. Go ahead and start planning for how you want to age in place. Everybody wants to age in place at home. That's rarely, that's rarely in question. But how are you going to do it? And what kind of plan are you going to put in place? And how are you going to pay for it? So start thinking about all of those things, from fiscal responsibility to long-term care insurance, and getting the advice of an expert. You might be afraid that that's expensive, but oftentimes you spend way more money trying to fix mistakes in the long run than you would just setting a right plan in place. Do you know that the number of Americans over the age of 65 is supposed to double in the next 40 years, which means there's going to be about 95 million Americans over the age of 65. And half of those will need long-term care at some point between turning 65 and dying. They will need long-term care on an average of 3 years. The chances are really good that you are going to need long-term care at some point in time, and putting a plan in place so that you have it the way you would like to have it increases your odds of a successful aging experience.
Well, very good. And it is, just start planning, and it's good to talk to somebody about it, because maybe there is some benefit out there that you're not aware of, and you can then claim that benefit, and that is obviously important money. So I appreciate you coming on. Always appreciate you coming on. So thanks for coming on. We'll see you again in a little while. You're going to come back on Morning Line at some point. You'll be back with us. But thanks to you and Tim Takis for coming on.
Thank you.
All right, we'll take a break. I'll come back, wrap everything up right after this.